Hey everybody, so it's another day in Bangkok and I have come to explore yet another market. I've been to Bangkok many times, but I have not come to this market before. This is the Pratunam market. I know like everybody sort of knows this market, everybody's been to this market. I haven't. It's kind of embarrassing because it's a number of times I've actually been to this city. But let's go see what they have to offer. By the way, right, people are just like staring at me left, right, center, like talking to this small little thing. They're like, what is this guy doing? What is this guy doing? So much attention. We're done with the Pratunam market and now I'm going to go do something that I really enjoy, which is to find some food. I've heard so much about the Pratunam chicken rice here. I've heard only like the best things about the Pratunam chicken rice, that it's so amazing, it's so good. There's even a shop in Vivo City selling this. I have no idea how good it is. I've never tried it before. So there's a first time for everything, and today is my first time for the Pratunam chicken rice.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
Alright, and that was the Goang Pratunam chicken rice experience. Okay, listen, I enjoyed it. I liked the chicken rice. However, would I go back again? Maybe not, because coming from Singapore, I think there's a lot of options for chicken rice, and while the chicken rice here was nice, I didn't find it special or like excitingly different. It's just chicken rice that I could essentially find in Singapore, like at the coffee shop. So but it was a good experience. So if you're ever in this area and you feel like you really want to have chicken rice, I would recommend this place, but maybe not more than once.